So in this video, we're going to set up our own Discord bot list that you can host on Heroku for free. Here is a preview of the dashboard. We can choose random bots. This is the actual demo. We also have bot packs and more. So let's get started. So we're going to go to dbots-co/API github.com. This link here, link in the description. Okay, so you can start the repo if you want. That step's optional. Deploy to Heroku, that's what we're going to do. Note this is deploying our app here, this exact repository. You can change this to whatever you want and match your repository. So we're going to call this dbots demo. And now, how do we get these values? Well, we have a link here, link in the description. So API URL, that is this. For the API, so we just set that to dbots demo. There we go, that's what we're using. And we're just going to ignore the optional ones for this video as they are explained here. So bot token, how do we get that? So we actually need a bot to deploy, so we're going to use goosebot, legendary goosebot. So we're going to reset the client secret, paste that here. We're going to copy the client ID, paste that there. Then we're going to go into the bot, make sure you make one, regenerate. This is discord.com/developers. And the bot is used for numerous things with dbots. The dashboard URL is similar to the API, just without the slashes on the end. And the Mongo URI, we're going to set that up now. How do we do it? Again, the link is in the description for this, mongodb.com/cloud/atlas, and that is a database. And make sure you create an account, sign in, and create a free cluster for free. And we're going to copy this link. We're going to go into Notepad. We're going to paste this URL in that links to our cluster. And we are going to make sure, I'm going to delete this for demonstration. Go to add IP address, allow access from anywhere to allow Heroku to connect, confirm. There we go. Now database access. Okay, I'm going to make a user test with the password test, very bad. And then read and write to any database, that's all we need. Make sure to copy this and then put test, which is the username and the password. There we go. Then paste that in and then deploy app. Okay, so we're going to confirm that we can connect to the database. If you have Mongo CLI installed, like the MongoDB for Windows, then you can use this. So just type Mongo, then the URL. And if things fail when we type this in, then we know there's something wrong. Okay, so if everything goes well, I made a new account for this demonstration because the other account didn't log in. If you type show DBS, we know we've logged in. So you may have noticed I've messed up the database name, and I'm going to show you how we can edit that and fix that if we mess something up here or just want to update it. If we go to manage app, if it deploys, then settings, and then go to reveal config files, so you can see everything that's going behind the scenes here. Now you may notice database name is here, just edit this. We have DB name, we don't want that, we want dbots-demo. And just save changes. How do we update this? So when we open the app, nothing's going to happen because there's no database connection going on. Therefore, we're going to restart all dynos. If you need more help with this, join the ADAMJR community server or the dbots support server, link in the description. Now, if you want to be able to have custom domains for this, or keep it online 24/7 for free, you can check out this guide or videos in the description too. Hopefully this helped, like the video if this helped, and subscribe for more. So, thank you.